Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. In this short video, I am going to explain you what is the difference between probability and likelihood. So, if you are not too familiar with these two terms, then sometimes you tend to use these terms interchangeably, which is not good, guys. Being a data scientist, you should be very clear on what is the difference between these two terms. Okay, some of you have been asking me in comment as well, so let me explain this quickly. Okay, first of all, what are these two charts, guys? So you would have noticed till now both of these normal distribution curves. Okay, what is this? Let us suppose that this is raise percentage or hike percentage for organization A. Okay, this is raise percentage or hike percentage for organization B. So there are two organizations, organization 1 A and organization B. So A gives raise to its employees with a mean of 0 and standard deviation 1. B gives with mean of 0, mean of 5 and standard deviation of 2. Both are normal distribution curves. Now what is a normal distribution curve, guys? This is nothing but internally a probability density function, right? So I have explained in detail what is PDF, what is normal distribution. The link is here, you can watch that video. Here I will explain you how do we compute a particular probability from this chart. Okay, for example, if I ask you a random employee chosen from organization A, what is the probability that employee will have raise between 1% to 3%? Then how do you compute that, guys? It's very simple here. This is 0, 1 standard deviation might come somewhere here, 2 standard deviation might come somewhere here, 3 might come somewhere here. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. What is my question? My question is, what is the probability that an employee randomly chosen will have salary raise from 1% to 3%? The answer to that is nothing but area under this curve. Okay, area under this curve. This becomes your probability. How do we write that in equation, guys? Probability of a random employee X getting raise between 1% to 3% given mu is equal to 0 and standard deviation is equal to 1. What will be this output? This output is nothing but whatever is the area under this curve. That number may be 0.5, 0.6, 0.2, we don't know. Let's assume any number. Okay, this is about probability, guys. Okay, what is likelihood now? Likelihood is I take a random employee from the organization, okay, and his raise is between 1% to 3%. Then what is the likelihood that employee belongs to this distribution? I am just writing it here, it will be very clear. Likelihood of mu being 0 and standard deviation being 1 given what is given? Given is the range is between 1% to 3%. This is the simple difference between probability and likelihood. Okay, if you see carefully, guys, here we are drawing the chance of occurrence of an event in probability. Chance of occurrence of an event. What is the event? The employee is having salary raise between 1% to 3%. On the other hand, in likelihood, what we are trying to estimate? We are trying to estimate the chance of employee who is having the raise between 1% to 3% belonging to this distribution. Clear up to here? Now suppose if the employee is having salary raise between 1% to 3% and we try to figure out what is the likelihood of employee belonging to this distribution or this normal distribution, that answer will be this much only. Okay, but suppose if I ask the same question, this is likelihood 1. Likelihood 1 is for chart A, or likelihood of A we can say, and likelihood B will be for this one, right? Mu is equal to 5 and standard deviation is equal to 2 given employees raise is that much. Okay, here what we are trying to do, we are trying to check the likelihood in different distribution here. Now if here I have to compute, then where it will go? This is mean, this is 5. Okay, so standard deviation is 2, so this will be 3 and this will be 1. Okay, and I am asking 1 and 3, so area under this curve. Okay, so likelihood in company A is this one. Okay, and likelihood organization B is this one. So remember guys, in probability your parameters of the distribution is fixed and you are trying to find the chances of occurrence of an event. Your parameters of the distribution are fixed. In probability, mu is fixed, SD is fixed. You are trying to find out the chances of occurrence of this event. On the other hand, in likelihood, your event is fixed. What we have fixed here? Your event is fixed. 1, 2, 3 we have fixed. And we are trying to find out in different distribution what will be the chances of, you can say chances of this happening in different distributions. Just a flip side of it or other way of looking at it. So this is how probability and likelihood are different. Now I want to discuss one small topic here. The likelihood will change based on the internal distribution. I am repeating it one more time. The likelihood will change based on which curve we are talking about, right? So there will be likelihood increase and likelihood decrease, right? For example, if I make it mu is equal to 20 and standard deviation is equal to 10, likelihood will get impacted, right? So we will have curves where likelihood will be more, and we will have curves where likelihood will be less. And that is where the concept of something known as maximum likelihood estimation comes. So there is an event for which distribution the event will have maximum likelihood. And you would have guessed it right. Based on that fundamental, logistic regression internally works in one of the way. Okay, so you would have must heard of maximum likelihood estimation. That is nothing but knowing the model, knowing the distribution parameters which can maximize the likelihood of an event. Event in this case is this. Okay, and probability you already know, very simple to understand. Your chart is fixed, your parameters is fixed. What is the chances of occurrence of this or any other event, So I hope it is clear guys. Still if you have any doubts, write me in comment. I'll see you all in the next video guys. Till then, wherever you are, stay safe and take care.